Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Marys County, northeastern County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located over Rolla, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and tennis ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rosati, St. James, and Rolla. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 192 and 200. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Marys and Phelps.